Airtel users on specific plans get free Netflix subscription as part of the benefits. Here's how you can claim and activate Netflix. Before starting the claim journey, please ensure you have the following applications installed on your phone. Airtel Xstreamplay app installed and logged in. Netflix app installed. Open the Airtel Xstreamplay app. Click on My Plans option. Click on the claim button placed next to the Netflix card. You will be redirected to the Netflix web page. If you already have a Netflix account, please enter the email ID associated with it. Note: if your Netflix subscription is already active, you will need to use a new email address, or if you are a new subscriber to Netflix, sign up with your desired email. Enter or choose your desired password. Confirm your details and set up a password recovery process. Set up your profile, preferences, etc. and start enjoying the experience.